on, everybody? Looks like the UFO over Lake Huron is back. Just sitting above the water line out there. Just sitting there hovering. Hasn't moved in an hour.
Cioè,
Pare che si sta muovendo, Ale.
io mi sto cagando sotto. Cioè,
Pare che si sta muovendo, Ale.
io mi sto cagando sotto.
So guys, it's not a drone, it's not a planet. It has been here in the air for 15 minutes. It's staying there, it's moving, it's blinking. That's another UFO. It's a UFO or something. And I have pictures. And I don't care if you... Look, I respect everybody's belief. If you think, if you think it's a planet or a drone, fine, I respect that. Don't worry about it. We as human beings, well, Earth humans, basic right is to believe, look, it's not a planet, it's been blinking. It's like 7:45 p.m. Buffalo, New York time. This has been here. It's not a plane. It's been here for 20 minutes and it's been moving. It's staying there. Ain't no drone. It's not a drone. It's not a planet. It's not a plane. And I told it if it was family or part of the galactic fence to blink, and they did. When Jesus said, he said, I am in this world, but I am not of this world. Well, the same goes for me. It's staying there. It's staying there. It's blinking. It's no damn drone. That ain't a drone. I know how drones are. It's sitting there. But like I said, if you guys say it's a planet or drone, that's fine. You have the right to believe in what you want to believe or view it. Okay? Like, love and light. Everybody, you should have your right. So don't worry if you come to me and say, oh, it's a drone, a mirror, or a planet. That's fine. That's okay. I don't care. That's your view. But for me, something's up. Look at that. Something's up. It's not a plane. Look at it. See, it's moving. It's not a plane. It's not a planet. It's not a drone. I know how drones are. They don't just sit there like that. That's my family. If you are my star family or the Pleiadians, oh, here you go. Here's a plane coming up. That's a plane. Where is it? That's a plane. So you can see how fast that thing moves. Okay, it moves. This little guy here is sitting there. Sitting. If you're a ship, blink twice. Yeah. It's blinking. If you are a ship or a benevolent ET being blink twice. Yep. I can't, my camera doesn't do it justice, but yep. You don't have to believe me, but look at this. That ain't no drones. I know how drones are. And my star family, the Pleiadians and probably Arcturians, they have been monitoring me. They have been checking up on my son and I. And I notice more UFO activity when my son is with me. He's an Arcturian starseed. I'm a Pleiadian starseed. And, yep. See? Does that look... Oh, okay, that ain't no drone. Guys, look. Look. It's moving, so don't tell me it's a planet. Yo, if you want to think it's a planet or a drone, by all means, have at it. But for me, look at that. Look, it's blinking. It's bloody blinking. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I send my love and light and healing and peace to you guys. I love you guys. We, in this planet, no one should ever be divided. We are people on Earth, starseeds and human bodies and Earth humans. We are of the same race, of the same love. We need to band together and we need to be united. Oh my God, look. See, it's blinking. See, it's blinking. It's blinking, guys. See? You see that? I can't get any much closer. I have a Samsung 22S Galaxy. That's not a drone. That is not a drone. They're fine. My family or something, they're starting to show up physically, thank God. And I've had ET experiences my whole life. I was a guest on I did 2 podcast episodes with my friend Veronica, so yeah, that's it. Guess what? Oh wow, it's been 15 minutes, it's still there. Now, I showed y'all the plane, how quick. It's sitting there. Anyways, guys, love and light, okay? Have a good week ahead. Love you.